cucumber mint cooler and watermelon mojito. Let's start the recipe. We'll make the sugar syrup. 1 bowl sugar, 1 bowl water. Boil it for 5 minutes. Our sugar syrup is ready. Pour a lemon slice in it. You can store this syrup in your fridge for 3 to 4 months. Right now I'll be using it for the mojito. Put it in a shot glass. Let it cool down, and rest you can store up in a bottle. Now let's make cucumber mint cooler. Fresh cucumber with mint. Take the cucumber, wash it properly. Put it in the mixer. I've taken the Chinese cucumber, sugar syrup, 1 lemon juice, fresh mint leaves. Add 2 ice cubes. Now blend it in a blender. I have peeled the cucumber. Just place it in the glass. Now I have made the mixture of cucumber and the ice and mint. Just add this. Add an ice cube. Top it up with soda. Let's stir it once. Perfect. Our summer drink is ready. Let's start the watermelon mojito. The ingredients we would be needing is, you need to cut into small pieces the watermelon, fresh lemon, chunks. You need to muddle it. A teaspoon of sugar syrup, fresh mint leaves. Freshness of mint and watermelon are amazing. Now shift this in a glass and muddle it. Keep muddling it with soft hands. Let the freshness of mint, lemon and watermelon infuse with each other. Take a lemon slice, rotate it around the rim, put it on the pink salt. Now pick it up, add ice, transfer it to the glass, the muddled syrup. Now add ice cubes, add cubes of watermelon on top. Add the soda water. Give it a stir. Stir it well. Now our drink is ready. Add the watermelon, mint leaf. Our drinks, summer coolers, cucumber mint cooler and watermelon mojito are ready to serve. If you like the drinks, like, share and subscribe.